Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onesmartmedia.com.
Up first this evening, major disruptions possible. That warning from the Jamaica Teachers Association, JTA, this evening, after reports from several teachers that they have not been in receipt of their graduate's allowance.
Now, this was an agreement coming out of the last teacher protest over wages in 2024.
Ramada Lyons reports.
There is the possibility that come Tuesday morning, schools will be open, but teachers will be absent. This is if the Ministry of Education and the JTA aren't seeing eye to eye. The JTA says the current dispute stems from a serious breach of the March 2023 Memorandum of Understanding between the Ministry of Finance and the association.
What that means is that there are several individuals who would be paid less this month than they would in prior. To make it even more egregious, apparently there is some memo that is circulating from some technocrat at the Ministry of Finance who decided to interpret the MOU other than the way it was implemented, and so far, we have not had a challenge with it.
He says it was raised with the Education Ministry on several occasions, and each time he says there were assurances that approach would not be taken.
We made it absolutely clear that any attempt to take away the graduate allowance from our members or to attempt to seek some type of recovery of those sums that have been paid to date will ensure that there is a disruption in the system. Now, that is not something that I say lightly, but at the end of the day, we have to draw a line in the sand. It is absolutely absurd that we seem to be saying one thing when we have meetings with the Ministry of Education, and then there's something else happening on another front. I can assure you that we are playing with fire, and it is most likely we're going to start to see disruptions within the education system if this madness does not stop.
So if the day ends and both parties do not come to an agreement, what does this mean Tuesday for the operation of schools?
We are giving the Ministry of Education 24 hours to resolve this matter, and then we will take what we consider appropriate action.
Does appropriate action mean teachers will be out of schools?
We have what I consider a toolkit of possible actions to take, and I'll be discussing with my executive board as to what actions we take going forward.
TVJ News understands that discussions are being held with the senior team at the Education Ministry to hopefully have the matter resolved. Ramada Lyons, TVJ News.